festival times and the whole house is full of aromas of delicious sweets and savories even, but basically the sweets are the thing which actually catches my mind and my heart. And I have a sweet tooth and I really enjoy having sweets even. And why not indulge in it? So welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia and I have come out with a beautiful recipe with gum arabica. Yes, you can have gum arabica because it is one ingredient which is full of fiber. Actually, it is only fiber, and that even insoluble fiber. So you can actually indulge in this dish and enjoy it to the fullest. So here comes a beautiful recipe of gum arabica mawa cake. Let's begin with it. So for the super easy, super delicious gum arabica mawa cake, that is your keto mawa cake, I am going to heat a non-stick pan, add ghee or clarified butter into it, and I am going to heat that ghee. Yes, because I am going to fry the gum arabica. So I have to heat the ghee. So after heating the ghee, I am going to drop the gum arabica into it. Yes. These are the gum arabica crystals. Can you see? Doesn't it look beautiful? They are so pretty to look at. And I am dropping that, and within seconds they will start fluffing up. Yes. It will swell up and it will become white in color. Just saute it. Just tap a bit so that because it sticks, so you have to tap a bit to see that, so that all the crystal gets fluffed up. Separate if they are joined, and see my crystals are properly fluffed up. So now I am going to add the cream. Yes, this is the single cream I am adding into it. I am emptying my jar or emptying my packet into it. From all the nook and corners, I am trying to take it out. See, now I am going to saute it. So first I fluffed up the crystal, and now I am trying to melt the gum arabica. Yes, after fluffing I am going to melt it. So as you cook or saute, your gum arabica will melt. Yes, and it will then provide the thickness to the cream, and your cream will also get a different color due to the gum arabica and also being cooked. So it will have a beautiful light golden color when it gets perfectly cooked. It's thickening up. Can you see how the cream has thickened up? It's looking so lovely, and it will take about 7 to 10 minutes and my cream will perfectly thicken up. So now you have to saute it. You can do that on medium to high flame. Sometimes high flame helps in removing the moisture content of it. See how it has thickened up. It is forming a mass. And now I am going to add stevia into it. You can add any sugar free you use and saute it a bit so that it imparts the sweetness to the dish. So just saute it, and now comes the flavoring. Yes, that is your cardamom powder. So I am going to add the cardamom powder into it. That will impart a beautiful flavor to this sweet. Just saute it a bit, give it a magic mix, and soon you will see ghee seeping out. Yes, it will get cooked and the ghee will seep out. Can you see how the ghee is seeping out? That is, it's done. So now I am going to serve it. So here I have taken a square tin. I didn't have a square tin, so I am using a square baking dish because I wanted a small square tin. So I had this square baking dish. I am using that. I have lined it with a butter paper, and now I am dropping the mixture into it. See, it goes inside this See, I'm just spreading it out so that it takes the uniform shape of the container. Spread it out properly. Yeah, the spatula is bigger than the container. Take a smaller spatula. And now I'm going to take it out from the tin. I have taken these pistachios which I have sliced it into fine slivers, or actually I have grated it, and I'm sprinkling that. This will impart the texture, bitiness and also color to my mawa cake. Doesn't it look beautiful? So sprinkle the pistachios as much as you like. And now I'm going to add some color with the, and taste even with the rose petals. I have these dried rose petals which I am going to just tear it. I am tearing with my hands. They are easily tearable with the hand, and sprinkle that even onto the mawa cake. And then pat it with the help of the spatula so that they don't fall apart. It's looking so pretty. My mouth is watering. And now comes the time of slicing. Yes. So with the help of a blade or a knife, slice it into small pieces, because if you make small pieces, so that it's much easier. If you want, you can have 2 pieces to fulfill your indulgence. Otherwise, if you cut big pieces, you are going to have 2 pieces and you will go over your macros. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this lovely, delicious mawa cake. And before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.